When someone plans your downfall, perhaps that is the path of your success. Perhaps that is the exact door through which you are going to get success. So take it in your stride, don't worry. You did your dua, you're close to Allah, you have sabr and taqwa, you are thanking Allah for what He's blessed you. You cannot go wrong. Negatives don't happen to a believer. A believer is only in a positive situation. If goodness comes in his direction, he's thankful to Allah and humble. And if something negative does come in the direction of a believer, before he actually suffers negative consequences, because he bears sweet, beautiful patience, Allah converts it into an act of reward that deserves an unlimited recompense. Unlimited. That's Allah. Sabr. You made sabr. You had a problem. Yes, sabr. How long is the sabr? A month? 2 months?